Another question that I got was the TTL not precise, not accurate. So if you don't know, TTL is it's kind of an auto for your flash, right? TTL stands for through the lenses. So the camera is going to send a signal, get back how much light it needs. It's going to send the signal to the flash to know how much light outputs. I talked about this. We did a whole series on high-speed sync and flash and TTL modes. I talked about this. I don't use TTL because it's not accurate at all, right? So it's always like messing up, and usually that happens because when you shoot a flash that's not the same brand of your camera. Let's say I shoot Godox, right? I shoot Flashpoint Godox and shoot a Canon camera. So if I had a Canon flash on my camera, that would be much more precise than the Godox. So the Godox tends to be, for me at least, it tends to be a little bit off when we dive. There's always the flash exposure compensation. Flash exposure compensation on your camera. You can go -3 or +3 depending if it's dark or lighter. But you know, I'll tell you this: avoid a little bit TTL if you're having issues with that. If you're not having issues, that's fine. Shoot TTL, but it's always good to shoot manual. Learn how to see the light. Learn how to make changes to the light. Otherwise, do not rely much on what the camera tells you, because the camera lies to you. You may not believe this, but your camera lies to you. Yeah, you pay a lot of money for a camera and it still lies.